Carmela! Too bad her name's not Carmel.
I can't play without her. She's gonna get mad. Carmela! Carmela!
Carmel's coming.
Carmela! 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 Carmela!
Clutch is like bagging away.
Hooray!
Where'd she go? She's under the bed. Oh God, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Hooray!
I can't believe she did that.
Hooray! She ain't coming out. She attacked me about 5 times.
And you weren't even calling her name.
I wasn't even calling her name.
Fat boy.
If I had like protection on, I would like have her attack me, but I don't.
Yeah, you need your big sweater on.
For my eyes.
Well, duh.
I wonder what she would do because she could like bite.
I see her.
I don't know what she would do.
Interview.
The interview. What'd you get out of here?
No. You kicked me off the computer and I had an army come after you.
And you saved me from a seriously.
We'll watch you and your army next time.
My army came to attack you, yelling at me and counting and shit. No. I got an army, bitch.
You're a heartless capitalist.
No.
She kept beating up and biting him. Remember, she grabbed his tail and bit his tail.
Dun dun
But
dun.
she don't go crazy. She knows to beat her ass.
No, duh. She'll do it on you.